Hi, I'm Nick Paden. I'm your child's 7th grade math teacher this year, and I just wanted to talk for a couple minutes about my class and some different things that you want to be aware of as the school year is getting underway. So first of all, every 7th grader will have me for math, and they'll have me for the entire school year. So that's a little different from Mr. Harvey's class. If you've already watched his video, students don't have him for the entire year. But we'll learn everything in math except for a lot of geometry stuff. That's for Mr. Harvey to teach the students. But I'm excited to have them for the entire school year. Just a little bit about what you can expect, what you will see from my class. So first of all, some grades. We will have a quiz in my class every Friday. That quiz will be over just what we've learned that week. And that quiz will not be over anything else than just that week, just a few questions, but it will be every Friday just to kind of end the week on going over what we've talked about, and for me to make sure that each student understands what we've been doing in class. But that'll be every Friday, so make sure that your child is ready for that on Fridays. Another big grade that we have is our bell work, and it's called a Math 3-a-day, and this is what it looks like. And so there's a front and there's a back to it. And every day when class starts, the students do 3 boxes. So on Monday they do the top 3 boxes, Tuesday they'll do the bottom 3 boxes, Wednesday they'll do on the back, and then Thursday they'll finish up the last 3 boxes, a Math 3-a-day. A lot of times it's over review of what we've already talked about, what we're doing that week, what we've done in recent weeks in the past, and it's just a great way to kind of get class started. But what I do is, after I give students a few minutes to work on this at the start of class, I go around and actually check everyone's answers right then. If I circle an answer of a student, then they have until Friday to correct that. And they don't turn this in for a grade until Friday at the end of the week. And that's when I'll actually take a grade on it. So a student could miss every question on here the first time they attempt it. Then they go back and change it, and if they get the correct answer whenever I check it at the end of the week, they can still get full credit. So they can miss every question, still get 100% on this because they went back and corrected their mistakes. We do this every week. It's a big grade in my class, and so if your child is struggling in their math grade, I would suggest have them bring this home and check their 3 boxes every night and make sure that they're getting the correct answers for this, because every year it's the same thing. A student that does really well on these every week gets a really good grade in my class. A student that doesn't do very well on these, they struggle in my class with their grade. And so make sure I'll be checking these every single day. Make sure that your child has it completed. Make sure it's corrected before they turn it in at the end of the week to be graded. So that's our Math 3-a-day, that's our bell work. And then another question that I get a lot from parents is, do we have a lot of homework in this class? I try to give as little homework to my students as possible. So if your child does have math work that they need to complete at home, it's probably for 2 reasons. One is because they didn't get it done in class with the time that I gave them, or 2, it's because it's a long-term assignment. Maybe it's due in a few days, and we just don't have a lot of class time to work on it. Those are really the only 2 reasons why your child will have anything in my class that they need to complete at home, other than just studying for a test or a quiz. A couple other things that I do want to mention with how crazy this school year has been. If your child is in school right now, in person, and they get sent home for maybe 10 or 14 days, then if it's a long-term absence, then we're going to send them home with their Chromebooks, and they're expected to get on our Google Classroom page where we're posting everything for our virtual learners, and they're expected to still complete their assignments. So everything that we do in class will be on that page. They'll do their Math 3-a-day, they'll type in their answers on the computer, I'll check it every day. They'll watch a video of me teaching the lesson for that day, and they'll have an assignment for that day that they also need to complete. And then if they're missing on a day that we take a quiz or a test, that will be posted there for them to complete as well. So if your child goes home for a long period of time, maybe a week or 2, then make sure that they're still getting their work done at home on that Google Classroom page, because when they come back and they don't have anything done, they're going to be really behind their other classmates. So hopefully that helps you all. If you have any questions, feel free to email or call. My email address and my phone number here at the school are right here. And so if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, email, call. I know it's a crazy year. I am excited to be back in school. I hope you are excited for your kids to be back in school as well, and I think they're excited also. I'm looking forward to the rest of the school year with this group of kids. It looks like a very good group of kids. I'm enjoying having them in class. And so once again, thank you all for listening. Thank you for your attention. I'm Mr. Paden, 7th grade math teacher, and like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, email, or call me. Thank you.